In this video, I will show you how you can see your Roblox purchase history on your phone. First, you need to go to roblox.com. From in here, you're going to sign into your account. Now, once this is done, you should get to this page right here. Select the little Roblox icon in the top right corner next to the search button. Go to My Transactions. From in here, you will be able to sort out. I have last 30 days. You can choose past year if you want, past day, past 7 days, and you can see all the transactions that you've made in that data range. Now, as you can see on this account, I have not made any purchases, so that's why it says 0. But if you made any purchases and it's within this data range that you've chose, then you will be able to see it in here. So it's super simple, guys. You just go to the website, click on the Roblox, My Transactions, and you will be able to see it in here. Thank you for watching.